Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Remove the fasteners. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF2884 filter into the housing. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the sensor. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.